Ever wish you could click on an invoice record in a Softr app and it would create a new invoice in Stripe for that associated client? Or click on a lead record in Softr and it would update a status in Salesforce? Well, now you can with our new Webhooks feature. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, my name is JJ and I'm your new community and education lead. Before I show you how to use webhooks, let's first discuss what they are. Simply put, webhooks are a way for our applications to communicate with each other automatically. They act like a messenger between different applications, sending data or notifications from one application to another whenever a specific event occurs. Think of them as an automated system that triggers an action, similar to how Zapier works. This allows for real-time data transfer and instant updates, making your workflows more efficient and seamless. So, how do you use them in Softr? Here's how. To start off using webhooks in your Softr application, you need a business plan or above. Currently, this functionality is available for the following blocks, but we'll also be rolling it out to even more blocks soon. Your listing block, item details, table, Kanban, and calendar blocks. Let's start by adding a new button to the block that displays all of our clients. After adding, choose the Trigger Webhook option. You'll first need a URL from the application you're linking to. In this example, I am activating a Zap within Zapier. This Zap generates a Stripe invoice and sends it to a client for payment. Zapier provides the URL for the webhook. We'll also need to send the user's email with the webhook. This allows Zapier to find the user in our database and perform actions specifically for them. Note that you can add multiple parameters to update several fields at once. Lastly, you can personalize the success message that a user receives after triggering the notification. And that's all there is to it. Webhooks by Softr empower users to create an automated digital ecosystem, easily connecting all of your most important applications together. We hope you find many ways to use this feature and experience the benefits associated with it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know below. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.